Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna unbox the new iPhone 12 in black. Now this is the 128 gigabytes, as you can see, and you notice that the box is slimmer this year. This is due to the fact that Apple did not include the charging brick inside. Now let's get into the unboxing and peel it off. And here we go. I'm looking at it's kind of a nice box, but you know, I don't like the fact that the charging brick is not included, but we'll see. Let's get it out. Okay, so it's so glossy and shiny. It's never gonna be this clean again. Oh, I'll try my best. So as you notice here, we have the instructions on this sticker, like volume up and down and power off. I mean, who doesn't know that? Whatever. Let's turn it on, and I will just set it up right now. So you guys, if you like the video, just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a review of this device, and I'll see you next one. Peace.